the login page. So once we click the login button on the website, it should be redirecting you to this page where it would ask you for your company name. So as you can see here, there's an option to forget company name if you have forgotten it. There's an option to create a new company account as well, and there's also the details for the demo account. So the demo account, you can use that first if you want to check out all the features that we have to offer first. So you don't have to sign up for your account. You can use this dummy demo account so that you can check on all the features if you it would suffice your needs for your company. So let's proceed to login. Then once I typed in my company name, it should redirect you to the sign in page for your company. So all you have to do here is just type in your username and password, and then you should be able to clock in and out. And as you can see, on the top right corner there is the company name, and on the top left corner is a blue UI button where it would let you choose or pick the clock in option that you have. So right now we're in the user login page. So we just type in your username and password, click clock in, select a department, select a shift, select a job, and then you can enter a note. Then once you click clock in, you should encounter the green check mark as an indicator that you have successfully clocked in. So once you type in your username and password again, you will see that the clock in button from green turned to red. So you just have to click clock out. You will see your time that you clock in would appear here as well. And then the same thing, you just select the department, the shift, the job, and then you can leave a note when you clock out, and then a green check mark indicator, and then you're successfully clocked out. So simple as that. So we have different clocking options. So let's click the blue UI button. So we have the face clock where you use your webcam or your device's camera. So all you have to do is upload a picture on your profile or your employee's profile, and then the camera will do the work for them to be able to clock in and out. The same thing for QR code. So our system would generate a QR code for you to print out. You face it in front of the camera, and then your employee should be able to clock in and out. So we have pin clock. So technically, you just type in your pin, click the clock in button, and then you should be automatically clocked in. And then we have the name clock where you just select your name, enter your password, and then the same thing would appear: selection of department, shift, job, and then an option to leave a note, and then just the clock in button. So the same thing, a green check mark as an indicator if you have successfully clocked in and out. So go back to the blue UI button. We have the group clock, which can only be used by admins and managers. So they just have to log into their access, and then they should be able to select the shift, the department, the job, leave a note, and then select who they clock in and out. So just select this, just click clock in, authorize, log in your admin or manager account, then just wait for it to load. When you try to click clock in, they should be able to be clocked in. So as you can see, their name from blue highlight turned to black, but that means they are currently clocked in. So to clock them out, just select their name again, click clock out, and it should be good to go. Now we have a new option here, which is iframe clock, which as you can see here, it allows you to embed an iframe to your website so your employees can clock in from your own website. So all you have to do is ask your IT team to put it on your website. That way you don't have to access two websites at the same time, and then your employees can just clock in from there. And then the next thing we have is the login only, which is, as the name suggests, is just a login option. So there's no option to clock in, so it's just to log in.